This is Britt's farm in Manhattan, Kansas. It's a pumpkin patch and they have festivities and stuff. And we try to come here once a year during the fall season. Hey look, it's a goat. He's saying hi.
Feed the goat? Are they nice? Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
Great, Nate, you want to get a picture of this?
Oh, here we go.
Oh my god, I can't do that, Mom, here. Your tongue's weird. Like, you want...
You gotta bring Amelia over. Nom 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 nom. Let's see that again.
Oh, everybody wants some.
Nom 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 nom.
Alright, do you know how to use it?
Yes. Okay. I just have to pull back on the lever right after aiming.
Yes. You might want to do it very hard and fast. Whoa!
I overshot that. Oh, I get to go again.
Oh, of course. We have fun with potatoes. Oh yeah.
Get away from
Careful, it's up.
Amelia's first hayride.
Hi, Amelia!
I think I have to tag Adam in this video because this is the stuff we've been talking about.
I know.
Bell peppers. I need a field like this. Here's this stuff again. It grows kind of like corn, but it's clearly not corn. But it's some type of feed grain or something. Amelia. Hey, Amelia. 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 Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy.
Amelia.
Oh.
Come on.
Amelia.
Amelia.
Oh. Chew, yeah. Tractor wheel.
I'm sorry.
Amelia in a tire. Oh, playing in dirt for the first time. Technically. She's played in grass.
Come here.
What's all this stuff? Who put this here?
2 pounds.
It's corn maze time.
It's a vlog within a vlog.
Corn maze. It's all shaky, like the Blair Witch Project.
Where's Gracie when you're needed?
True army leader. You're leading us to safety out of the corn maze of doom.
Yeah. True army leader, LT.
Mm-hmm. Lieutenant right there.
Hi guys, I'm the new,
I'm the new lieutenant.
I'm the new lieutenant. Hi.
Oh, that joke never gets old.
You gotta cut that part out and you have to put it on my Facebook page
Yeah.
and tag my LT in it.
Yeah, so this is the vlog episode that never made it to YouTube. Because they never made it out of the corn maze of doom.
This is like, what's it called? Blair Witch Project.
Oh, what is this loop we're doing here? Let's go back to where we started. To worse, you can always just walk back towards the noise through the corn, so... Corn. I'm still not upset that we took the hard maze. We will live to edit and upload this vlog entry. We made it to the pumpkin patch. Amelia! No, this is where we're supposed to go. Right here to get our pumpkins. I wish my pumpkins would have grown this year, but I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So this is what we end up with. Amelia pumpkins.
Say hi, Dada.
My pumpkin patch definitely smelled like this. Mmm.
They're all small.
Amelia and the family pumpkins. We got the Amelia pumpkin, the mama pumpkin, the dada pumpkin, and the grandma pumpkin.
Amelia!
Yay! Amelia. She's grabbing on the grandma pumpkin.
Amelia, say hi! Amelia!
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 Hey, Amelia.
Say hi! Oh, she turned around.
If you like watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to check out my other channel and my other videos on this channel. Also, check out hippiedad.com, and I'm on Twitter and Facebook and all the good places, so feel free to check me out and offer your constructive criticism and anything else you feel to do. Peace.